Imagine buying a machine for $400, feeding it waste, and turning that waste into products businesses buy every single day. Today, we're looking at 20 manufacturing machines almost nobody talks about. Some can pay for themselves after just a few large orders. Others can produce thousands of products every hour. And one machine near the end transforms discarded plastic into something worth over $30 per kilogram. Machine 1, Compressed Towel Press Machine. At first glance, it looks like nothing more than a tiny white tablet. Add a splash of water, and within seconds it expands into a full-size towel. That's exactly what this compact press creates by compressing ordinary cotton towels into small, travel-friendly discs. Entry-level models usually cost between $300 and $900, with many capable of producing thousands of towels every hour. Each towel often costs just 3 to 8 cents to make. Yet finished products can sell for 25 cents to $1, especially when packaged for travel, hospitality, or personal care. Hotels, airlines, gyms, restaurants, and salons reorder these towels regularly, which means the real opportunity isn't a single sale. It's building repeat business with commercial clients. Simple products are easy to overlook, but they're often the ones that generate the most consistent income. Machine 2, Cleaning Sponge Cutting Machine. Here's something most people never realize. Those white cleaning sponges sitting on supermarket shelves start out as massive foam blocks. This machine slices those blocks into perfectly sized cleaning sponges ready for packaging. Most entry-level systems cost between $500 and $2,000, while raw foam remains relatively inexpensive. After cutting, branding, and packaging, individual sponges can retail for 50 cents to $2, even though the production cost is only a fraction of that. They're sold everywhere, from supermarkets and cleaning suppliers to online stores. And because consumers constantly replace them, demand never really slows down. Before we reveal the next opportunity, if you're enjoying videos about profitable business ideas that most people overlook, don't forget to subscribe. We upload new opportunities like these every week, and you won't want to miss what's coming next. Machine 3, Hot Foil Stamping Machine. Sometimes the smallest detail can completely change how expensive a product looks. That's exactly what a hot foil stamping machine does. It presses metallic or colored foil onto leather, paper, cardboard, wood, and packaging, creating the premium gold or silver finishes you see on luxury notebooks, gift boxes, invitations, and branded products. The equipment usually costs between $200 and $600, making it one of the most affordable options on this list. Instead of manufacturing products, many owners make money by offering customization services to local businesses. Adding a premium finish costs only a few cents, but customers are often willing to pay several times more for professional branding and presentation. Machine 4, Automatic Incense Stick Machine. Walk into a temple, a spa, or even someone's home, and there's a good chance you'll smell the product this machine makes. Once the fragrance mixture is prepared, the machine continuously produces finished incense sticks ready for drying and packaging. Most models cost between $400 and $1,000 and can produce several thousand sticks every hour. A package often costs just 10 to 20 cents to produce, while retail prices commonly range from $1 to $5, depending on fragrance and branding. The biggest advantage isn't just making incense. It's creating unique scents that keep customers coming back for more. So far, we've looked at products people buy for convenience. The next machine taps into something even bigger, a global shift toward eco-friendly products that's creating new business opportunities every year. Machine 5, Reusable Mesh Shopping Bag Machine. Plastic bags are disappearing from more stores every year, and something has to replace them. This machine manufactures reusable mesh shopping bags using cotton, recycled fibers, and other eco-friendly materials. Depending on capacity, prices generally range from $2,000 to $5,500, with the ability to produce hundreds of bags every hour. Production costs often stay between 10 and 25 cents per bag, while finished products can sell for $1 to $4. Custom-branded versions often command even higher prices. Supermarkets, farmers markets, organic food stores, and environmentally focused brands all need reusable bags, and bulk custom orders can quickly become long-term clients. What's interesting is that this business isn't driven by a temporary trend. As more countries restrict single-use plastics, demand for reusable alternatives continues to grow. But if you think these opportunities are profitable, the next 5 machines serve industries that place orders again and again, and that's where things get really interesting. Machine 6, Kitchen Sponge Production Machine. It might not be the most exciting product on today's list, but it's one almost every household replaces again and again. This machine cuts, shapes, and bonds foam into finished kitchen sponges, often adding the abrasive scrubbing layer automatically. Most systems cost between $2,000 and $5,000, with outputs ranging from hundreds to thousands of sponges per hour. Each sponge costs only a few cents to manufacture, but once packaged under a recognizable brand, the value increases significantly. Supermarkets, wholesalers, restaurants, and cleaning suppliers all need a constant supply, making this a business built on repeat purchases rather than one-time sales. Machine 7, Woven Clothing Label Machine. Every clothing brand has one thing in common. None of them can sell a product without a label. From luxury fashion houses to small online stores, woven labels are essential for branding, sizing, and care instructions. Entry-level machines generally cost between $300 and $800 and can produce thousands of labels in a single production run. The material cost is extremely low, while custom orders often deliver attractive profit margins. The best part? Clothing brands don't order labels once. They need new batches every time they release another collection. Machine 8, Rope Manufacturing Machine. Rope sounds ordinary until you realize it's used in construction, farming, shipping, gyms, landscaping, camping, and even luxury home decor. This machine twists materials like cotton, jute, nylon, or polyester into ropes of different sizes and strengths. Depending on production capacity, prices usually range from $800 to $3,000. Material costs vary, but finished rope often sells for several times more than the raw fibers. By simply changing the material or thickness, you can target completely different industries without buying another machine. By now, you've probably noticed something. The most profitable businesses aren't always based on complicated technology. They're often built around products people use every single day without thinking twice. The next machine is a perfect example, and it's benefiting from one of the biggest environmental shifts happening worldwide. Machine 9, Bamboo Straw and Cutlery Machine. As more countries move away from single-use plastics, businesses are racing to find eco-friendly alternatives. This machine transforms raw bamboo into drinking straws, stirrers, spoons, forks, and other disposable utensils. Small production setups are surprisingly affordable, while bamboo remains inexpensive in many regions. After processing and packaging, these products are sold to restaurants, cafes, hotels, catering companies, and environmentally conscious retailers. Instead of competing in crowded markets, you're supplying businesses that are actively looking for sustainable products. Machine 10, Paper Napkin Manufacturing Machine. Think about the last restaurant you visited. Chances are, paper napkins were sitting on every table. That's exactly why this business has such consistent demand. This machine cuts, folds, and packages paper napkins automatically using large paper rolls. Most units cost between $300 and $800 and can produce hundreds of packs every hour. The manufacturing cost stays low, while custom printing allows businesses to charge considerably more. Restaurants, cafes, hotels, event planners, and food trucks regularly order napkins with their logos, creating opportunities for long-term commercial clients. Remember, businesses don't stop buying products like these. They reorder them week after week, month after month, and that's exactly what makes recurring revenue so valuable. But we're only halfway through this list, and the next group of machines shifts away from consumer products and into businesses that help manufacturers themselves. Some of these opportunities are hiding in industries worth billions of dollars. Machine 11, Adhesive Tape Converting Machine. Almost every package shipped around the world has one thing in common: tape, and businesses never stop buying it. Instead of manufacturing tape from scratch, this machine converts large industrial rolls into smaller retail-sized rolls ready for sale. Depending on the setup, equipment ranges from a few $100s to several thousand for higher capacity systems. The raw material is inexpensive, while finished rolls often sell for several times more after cutting, packaging, or custom printing. Even better, businesses willingly pay extra to have their logo printed directly onto packaging tape, turning an everyday product into free advertising. If you've enjoyed the video so far, make sure to subscribe. We regularly uncover business opportunities, machines, and manufacturing ideas that most people never hear about, and you don't want to miss the next one. Machine 12, Blister Packaging Machine. Have you ever wondered how electronics, batteries, tools, and toys stay perfectly sealed inside those clear plastic packages? That's exactly what this machine does. It forms transparent plastic around a product before sealing it to a printed backing card, creating the professional packaging found in retail stores. Entry-level systems are surprisingly affordable, making this a great option for entrepreneurs offering packaging as a service instead of manufacturing products themselves. Sometimes the biggest opportunity isn't selling a product, it's helping other businesses sell theirs. Machine 13, Wood Pellet Production Machine. Most people see piles of sawdust as waste. Manufacturers see raw material. This machine sees profit. Wood scraps, sawdust, and agricultural waste are compressed into dense pellets used for heating, animal bedding, and commercial fuel. Machine prices vary depending on production capacity, but the biggest advantage comes from the input material. In many cases, the raw materials cost very little, or they're completely free. As demand for alternative fuel continues growing, these pellets have become a valuable product in many markets. Turning waste into something people willingly pay for is one of the smartest business models on this entire list. Machine 14, Essential Oil Extraction Machine. A handful of fresh plants can become one of the most valuable liquids in the wellness industry. Using steam distillation, this machine extracts essential oils from lavender, peppermint, eucalyptus, citrus peels, rosemary, and many other plants. Prices range from several hundred to several $1,000s depending on size. When raw materials are sourced locally, production costs remain relatively low, while finished oils often sell at premium prices. They're used in candles, cosmetics, perfumes, soaps, aromatherapy products, and countless natural beauty brands. Instead of selling crops at commodity prices, you're creating products with far greater value. Machine 15, Coconut Charcoal Briquette Machine. What most people throw away, this machine transforms into a product sold around the world. It compresses discarded coconut shells into premium charcoal briquettes that burn longer, create less smoke, and produce less ash than many traditional alternatives. The equipment varies in price depending on capacity, but inexpensive raw materials are what make this business especially attractive. These briquettes are widely used for barbecues, restaurants, outdoor cooking, and premium hookah charcoal markets. As consumers continue searching for cleaner burning fuel, international demand keeps expanding, opening opportunities far beyond local markets. So far, we've looked at businesses built around everyday products, packaging, and recycled materials. But the final 5 machines may have the biggest long-term potential of them all. One serves millions of coffee drinkers every morning. Another benefits from the explosion of 3D printing. And the last machine might completely change the way you think about plastic waste. Machine 16, Paper Straw Manufacturing Machine. Something as simple as a drinking straw has become a billion-dollar industry. As more businesses replace plastic with paper, demand for eco-friendly straws continues to grow. This machine rolls food-grade paper, seals it with adhesive, cuts each straw to size, and prepares it for packaging automatically. Most models cost between $300 and $800, while each straw costs only a fraction of a cent to produce. Restaurants, cafes, hotels, and catering companies purchase them in huge quantities, giving local manufacturers a major advantage thanks to faster delivery and lower shipping costs. Machine 17, Paper Cup Manufacturing Machine. Walk into any coffee shop, and you're surrounded by products made by this machine. It forms, seals, and stacks disposable paper cups ready for custom printing. Depending on production capacity, prices range from around $1,500 to $15,000. Individual cups are inexpensive to manufacture, but branded orders significantly increase their value. Coffee shops, fast food chains, offices, sporting events, and restaurants constantly reorder disposable cups, creating the kind of recurring business every manufacturer hopes for. We've reached the final 3, And this is where the opportunities become even more specialized. Machine 18, Disposable Glove Manufacturing Machine. Few products are used by as many industries as disposable gloves. Hospitals, restaurants, beauty salons, laboratories, food processors, and cleaning companies rely on them every single day. This machine continuously produces gloves in large quantities, making it ideal for supplying bulk buyers. Although equipment prices vary widely depending on capacity, the production cost per glove remains very low. When you're supplying products businesses consume daily, repeat orders become the foundation of your business, not occasional sales. Machine 19, Coffee Capsule Filling Machine. Millions of people start their morning with a single coffee capsule, but very few know how profitable they can be to produce. This machine fills, seals, and packages coffee capsules compatible with popular home brewing systems. Whether you're using locally sourced beans or creating specialty blends, branded capsules often command premium prices. Consumers increasingly look for organic coffee, unique flavors, and small batch roasts, making branding just as important as the coffee itself. Instead of competing with giant coffee companies on price, smaller businesses can stand out through quality and unique flavors. Machine 20, Plastic Recycling Filament Machine. Imagine turning discarded plastic bottles into a premium product used by engineers, designers, schools, and thousands of 3D printing enthusiasts. That's exactly what this machine does. It shreds, melts, filters, and reforms waste plastic into high-quality 3D printing filament. Most machines cost between $300 and $800, while the raw material can often be collected for little money, or even free. Once processed into quality filament, the finished product can sell for many times the value of the original plastic, making this one of the most interesting opportunities on today's list. What makes this machine stand out isn't just the profit potential. It's the fact that it transforms something most people throw away into a product used in one of the world's fastest-growing technologies.